Next stop for me, Dancing with the Stars. Hello and welcome to the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen. I know you've been dying to hear what happened in the first ballroom dance lesson I took with my daddy. I should start by saying that everyone is still alive, although it was touch and go there for a while. I created this masterpiece to calm my shattered nerves. I call it Gleni's Magic Happy Potion, and it is making me pretty freaking happy. To make it, all you do is add 1 ounce of tequila and 1/2 ounce of apricot liqueur to your wine glass and fill with your favorite dry red. So anyway, here's what happened. We got to the studio and everything seemed fine. We got through the entire 20-minute ride without a single argument, which I'm pretty sure is a record, and we loosened up with a little Franzia Merlot in the parking lot before we went in. I could tell that the instructor, Tony, had a thing for me, but I'm taking a break from men. We started to cha-cha, and Tony told me how great I was doing, and when I went into a dip, I swear, Daddy dropped me on purpose. I was pretty annoyed with him, but I decided to be the bigger person and let it go. We started over, and Tony told me I'm a natural dancer, and right after that, Daddy turned me the wrong way and caught me in a half Nelson, which was no accident. I was perturbed, but I was doing so great at the cha-cha that I kept going. Then, Daddy's back went out, and when I went in to try to help him, he accused me of trying to kill him, which is rich since he had just tried to kill me twice. Anyway, he took a pill and he'll be fine. We have our next lesson next week. So anyway, thanks for visiting the Velveteen Lounge Kitchen. Be sure to come back Thursday for a Liquored Up live broadcast. I know I'll be ready, and I'll see you again real soon.